This is something cool I've never seen before. I heard about stuff like this, but never saw it.
Hello, good morning. My name is Corey. I'm the Audi certified technician working on your vehicle today. I have a Diagnostics sunroof leak along with that TSB there. I have performed the TSB and water tested it a few times, and just wanted to let you know that there is no more water coming in at this time. I have performed a 25-minute water test twice, along with a road test over the weekend too on Saturday, just to make sure everything's working nicely for you. Along with that, I also have diagnostic cruise control not working. There was a update for that, and I have verified on the brief road test that I've taken that the adaptive cruise control does function at this time. And I see that the battery module software update was declined at this time. So I'm going to go ahead and get this vehicle on over to wash for you and let the service advisor know that the vehicle is all set, and when the vehicle is ready for wash, it will reach out to you on a time to receive the vehicle. So I want to say thank you very much for bringing the vehicle. We do appreciate your time, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.
Audi Cam, powered by Quick Video.
Pretty cool, right? I never seen anything like that. That was actually texted to me. So it was in a text. I'm like, oh, what the heck is this? That guy is pretty decent when it comes to doing work. And the service advisor told me you could ask for a particular service advisor too, if you want. And I definitely will next time. You know, one of the things I couldn't believe, of course it doesn't cost me anything. Look at the labor rate. $209. I mean, everything's zeroed out for me because it's under warranty. But can you imagine that? $209 an hour is friggin' nuts. I thought when it went to 165 is a lot of money. But yeah, that's the new thing. It's all about technology and getting that money.